Hey everyone, my name is Srinivasa and I'm appearing for back and take home exercise of Enview. So here, according to the question, I have built an API which accepts a post request from slash event route and gives all the list of the alert and also a particular alert details for a particular ID pass through the param. So I'll just walk you through the whole process. So I'll start the backend server with yarn dev. So let's wait for the database to be connected. So now it is connected. So it is connected to one of my MongoDB Atlas URL. So I think you can test it out with your local URL as well. So now since the database is connected, I'll just take you through the Postman. So in this workspace, I will just share the workspace in the GitHub repo as well. So in this workspace, there are three routes. So one is the post request, which is being sent from the IoT device. For example, this is my vehicle ID KS05LC99 and XX. So I'll just modify the vehicle ID to 88. 88XX is the vehicle ID for which we have to generate an event. Excuse me. So I'll just, since it is a residential area and according to our question, so when there is one uh, event from the residential location type, the event should be fired and it should be saved in the events. So I'll just click on send. So the event has been updated successfully and this is the event ID. So you can also query the event details from one of the routes here. So I'll just also add highway as one of the location types. I'll just send it 2 to 3 times and let us now go to the backend side. So here you will get all the events. So since I've set it to 1 minute rather than 5 minutes for this demo. So in the past 1 minute, it will check for all the events that has occurred, and if there is any violation, for example, so if is driving safe parameter is false, then it will return all the events with non-safe drivings as an array, and it will be stored in the database as well. So it is saved to the database in the alerts collection. We have created two collections. One is alerts and another one is events. So here, events collection is immediately fired with the post request of slash event um from the IoT device, and the alert is used to, and the alerts will be generated in their backend. And when there is an user going to query the alert, for example, just so I'll pick any one of the event here. So this is the event IDs. So I'll just pick this event and then I'll go to yeah. So here in this alerts, so I'll just since I had given a residential area twice, and then I'll filter the residential areas. I'll filter the location type by residential areas. And recently, I think this is the vehicle ID with the location type residential area, and there is an event. So this will be called as an alert after 1 minute, and we'll get the alert ID as well here. So okay, I think there's some issue with that. Okay, yeah. So here after a minute, I think the alert is generated. So this is the alert ID. I'll just go and query this alert. So you'll get all the details because this is the vehicle ID I used for testing, and you might get all the details here. So similarly, if you get the alert ID and then if you pass it here, you will get all the details for that alert type, and so that the customer can track he can track the vehicle by location type as well. So, and also for that location and for that particular event, he can query all the alert details. So this is it for the demo, and this job is actually running every 1 minute. So I think the I can demonstrate one more uh, automation of this job of adding it to the alert. I'll just change some parameters here. I'll change it to 7 7, and highway I'll just give it around 7 to 8 times to the event to be fired because we have the limit here as 4. Okay, I'll just give it as 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I've fired it 6 times, and then let's wait for a minute. So after 1 minute, the console will be updated and also the database will be updated. So yeah, here you can see all the 6 events with the param location type as highway has been regarded as non-safe driving events. So which is automatically done, and this job runs every 5 seconds. And so yeah, this is it for the demo. Thank you so much. I hope this demo is satisfying and hoping for the next rounds as well. Thank you so much.